birds of a feather flock together. Have you ever heard of that saying, birds of a feather flock together? It is so true. You only have to look at the company someone keeps to find out what sort of person they are. And you can't justify bad behaviour unless, of course, you're an accomplice in that bad behaviour. So, let's say you knew someone that committed, let's say, a crime, and you defended them or you stuck up for them. That basically means that you are an accomplice in the crime. But just by association, that's the way it normally works. And I don't like to make judgments of people, but birds of a feather, it's not just a saying, it's a real thing. And it's so true that people who have like cliquey little groups, they all hang together, you will find that they're very similar in what they believe and how they behave, and that's why they all hang together in that group, because they're all one and the same. You can't kind of like single one out from the other. It's a group think, peer pressure environment where you are dealing with cliquey, petty, little bitchy, bullying types of groups. That's what you're dealing with. So, like, if you defend someone that's done something wrong, then basically you are an accomplice, or you're basically implicating yourself as also condoning that sort of behaviour. You're supporting that sort of behaviour and condoning it, so therefore you're one and the same, because you don't have your own separate identity and can't separate yourself from either the group or the person that you may be defending. I don't know if that makes any sense, but yeah, birds of a feather do flock together. It is a real thing. So yeah, just be aware of who you hang with, who you associate with, who you pick as friends, because it's very telling. It tells a lot about that person, who they choose to associate with and who they choose to hang around with or be associated with, like as in a group or a club scene. I just had to get that off my chest. It's something that it's something that I see a lot of on YouTube. This peer pressure, groupthink mentality, no individuality, no originality.